In a big blow to the Nitish Kumar's government, the central government on Monday, July 22nd, made it clear that Bihar cannot be given the status of a special state. Replying to this in writing in the parliament, the central government said that the special category status for assistance was granted in the past by the National Development Council to some states that were characterized by a number of features necessitating special consideration. The decision was taken based on an integrated consideration of all the factors listed above and the peculiar situation of the state. Earlier, the request of Bihar for special category status was considered by an interministerial group, IMG, which submitted its report on 30th March 2012. The IMG came to the finding that based on existing NDC criteria, the case for special category status for Bihar is not made out. 3 political parties, including an ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party, on Sunday demanded special category status for 3 states at the all-party meeting ahead of the parliament session on Monday. While the Janata Dal United, which runs a coalition government with the BJP in Bihar, sought special category status for the eastern state, the Biju Janata Dal, BJD and Yuv Jana Samrika Raitu Congress Party demanded the same for Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Lok Jan Shakti Party, Ram Vilas, President Chirag Paswan, whose party is also an ally of the BJP, also demanded special category status for Bihar. States with special category status receive higher funds from the centre, which also gives them special tax benefits. No state has been granted this classification since the BJP came to power in 2014. Before that, 10 states were granted special category status. Reacting to this, RJD chief Lalu Prasad said that Nitish Kumar should resign as he promised special status to Bihar.
नीतीश कुमार ने कहा था कि दिलाएंगे, इस्तीफा करें राज्य का दर्जा लेकर रहेंगे हम।
सरकार ने लोकसभा में लिखित में कहा है कि मौजूदा प्रधान में संभव नहीं है कि विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिया जाए।
बिल्कुल देना पड़ेगा। चलिए,
मुकेश सहनी के पिता की जिस तरीके से सब पिछले दिनों हत्या हुई थी, आप लोगों ने भी दुख जताया था, क्या कहेंगे? बिहार में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पूरी तरह से चरमरा गया है।
पूरी तरह से चरमरा गया।